Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings on your Pixel. This is where Input lives. Once in Settings, go to System, then Languages and Input. You'll see on-screen Keyboard. Tap that and then Manage Keyboards or Virtual Keyboard to reveal installed options. If a keyboard is already installed, toggle it on to Enable. If not, keep this screen open. You'll return here after installing a new keyboard from Play Store. This ensures you can enable and test right away. Now install the keyboard you want from the Play Store and follow its initial setup prompts. Some keyboards walk you through themes and permissions. Once installed, go back to on-screen Keyboard and toggle that keyboard on under Manage Keyboards. Make sure to grant necessary permissions, input method and optional clipboard or microphone access, or the keyboard won't function fully. Once enabled, open the keyboard's app to customize layouts, languages, and keypress feedback so it's ready before you make it the default. Finish by selecting Default Keyboard under Languages and Input and choose your new keyboard. Then open a messaging app and type to verify layout, autocorrect, and language switching. If keys feel off, adjust preferences in the keyboard app, size, long press delay, themes. If the keyboard doesn't appear, restart your Pixel, re-enable the keyboard in Settings, or clear the keyboard app's cache. These steps resolve most cases where a new input method fails to load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.